I'm Emma, the founder of London Speech Workshop, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I actually ended up setting up London Speech Workshop. I was working with private clients, one-to-one, teaching elocution, and it was while I was going freelance as a TV producer, and I decided I wanted to move into the field of psychology, and I'd started to do a psychology master's. And meanwhile, I had clients who were non-native English speakers, and they were coming to me for softening their accent. And I didn't really get it. So I was working with them on sounds. I was working on kind of the basic pronunciation stuff that you would get from many people who teach this stuff. And one day I was working with a client called Jeremy, and one day I said to him, "Why are you actually doing this? You've got a lovely French accent, you're really successful, things are great for you. Why do you need to soften your accent?" And just a moment before, I'd been talking to him about how he needed to put more of himself in his words. And he said, "Well, it's exactly this. I can't put myself in these words." The language was acting as a block to him being able to be fully himself, to be fully present within the English language. And when he said that, and I realized that the penny dropped for me, and I understood that this work was so much more than telling people how to make one sound over another. It was actually giving people the tools to use the language to be fully themselves when they communicate. And with that, being able to be fully yourself when you communicate, you can fully, truly build connections with other people. And this means that you can share your ideas, express, inspire, and make things happen in your life, achieve your goals. So suddenly I was really hooked. And the next thing that happened with this client, Jeremy, was one day I was saying to him, a difference between two vowels. So there was a long vowel R and the short version is R. And I said, you know, this needs to be longer. And he said R, and I said heart, and he said heart. And then I thought, God, I don't want him to leave this room going heart. And I said to him, the vowel is an opportunity to put soul into the word. And that was the very beginning of this method developing, because I realized that vowels are a space to put your feelings in, and feelings are the way that we connect to other human beings. So fast forward 11 years, we have our method, which started with this one beautiful concept that vowels are about feeling and about connecting, and then has so many others, this rich tapestry of ideas that crack open the English language for our clients. And every day we get to help people like Jeremy be more fully themselves in this beautiful language, and therefore have a sense of ownership both over their communication abilities and mastery over their life.